Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Sebastian, and if you've ever felt like your health is holding you back, I get it. I've been there. I'm here to share my story of feeling like garbage to thriving, and I want to help you do the same. Growing up, I battled chronic health issues. Extreme fatigue hit me as soon as I woke up. I felt drained just meters into a jog, even though I was a competitive athlete winning tennis tournaments. Was I doing something wrong? My stomach was always bloated, and I struggled with constipation for days. One of my pet peeves was that I could never get visible abs, no matter how many crunches I did. Seasonal allergies made my nose run like a faucet, and I had to blow it constantly. And my shortness of breath felt like I was being deprived of life itself, oxygen. All of these issues crushed my confidence, self-esteem, and my abs. When I thought it couldn't get any worse, I hit my lowest point when I was 15 years old. It was when an asthma doctor gave me an inhaler. It made me so nauseous, I had an anxiety attack. I literally crashed out. I screamed and I literally couldn't breathe. How ironic is that? Then my doctor pushed a steroid on me, saying it was the only way. I froze, terrified, and I felt completely out of control. Thankfully, my mom stood up for me and we, no joke, sprinted out of that place. This moment taught me I had to trust my own instincts. Modern medicine wasn't helping. It was only making things worse. Even though I was only 15, I was done being prisoner to conventional advice. I realized that health isn't one pill, it's your entire lifestyle. And I took it one step at a time. Going gluten-free was my first step. Then I went dairy-free. Next, I started meditating and journaling, and after many years of experimenting, I transformed my entire life by taking ownership of my health. I now live by the principles of holistic health. It's a whole body approach that balances the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. Now, I'm healthier, happier, and more successful than ever before. I know you may be struggling too, just like I was. You're frustrated with medications that didn't work and that have harsh side effects, and you're tired of doctors not understanding you. I felt that hopeless feeling of not having control over my own health. That's why I'm here. My mission is to cut the fluff and BS from generic health advice. I'm sharing My tripod just almost fell. Oh my gosh. It's quite windy out here. I'm sharing the true secrets behind living a healthy, happy, and successful life. Subscribe to join our journey of overcoming. What are you waiting for? Let's thrive together.